Taryl. Hey.
Oh, hey, Skippy. What do you need today? A spark plug?
Actually, Taryl, I do need a spark plug, eh? You ever seen one of these before? Eh?
Let me see that, Skippy. I don't think that's a spark plug. I think it's some kind of antique smoking pipe. I think you put the tobacco in there and then somehow the spark plug lights the tobacco and you... I don't know what this is, Skippy, but I don't have one.
Oh, okay. I thought it was a CJ14, eh?
No, I don't have a plug like that, Skippy.
Oh, well, you think you could cross it over to NGK, eh?
Let me see that thing again. Oh, okay. I think I know what this is. They would use these on Model Ts. You'd pour gas in there and you'd open this valve and it would prime the engine on cold days. It's called a priming plug. That's what it is.
Oh, okay. Well, probably explains why it came off a Model T then.
Are you still driving a Model T?
Not anymore. I'm kind of curious to see how it works, though.
Well, we could take it in the back and put it on an engine and see if it works.
Oh, yeah, that sounds like fun. Eh?
Yeah, let's do that. Let's take it in the back and we'll put it on an engine.
All right, yeah. You coming?
Yeah, I'm going to wait for you. I'll be there in about 5 minutes.
Okay. Hey, if you have any old spark plugs laying around, I'll take them off your hands.
Alright, Skippy, I went out in the junkyard and I got me an old engine that was out there. An old Briggs. So I had to do a few things to it to make sure that it was going to work. And one thing I had to do is this engine's old and got points condenser. So I had to put a new set of points condenser in it because it had no spark. And it also didn't have any compression, so I had to do a valve job to it.
Oh, okay.
So now it's good.
Is that off a Model T?
No, it's off of a leaf blower or a leaf vac. Alright, so we'll pour a little gas down the spark plug hole.
Whoa.
Now this is just to show you that this engine does run. Woo! So what we're going to need to do now is get another head, and I'm going to have to tap it out to 1/2-inch pipe tap because that's the threads on that plug you brought in.
Okay.
And we'll have to put that head on this engine. So I tap the head out to 1/2-inch pipe thread. And we clean off them chips. Ponch and John. That's the name of those chips. And we'll put it right there. All right, there we are. There's our dinner. Now we're going to put this head on that engine. Clean some of that carbon off of this. We don't need that.
You dropped a washer, eh?
Thanks, Skipper.
No problem. That's what I'm here for. Can you reuse that old head gasket?
I'm going to on this head. This one looks like it's still pretty intact.
Oh yeah, nice.
I just want to mention that we got that plug from Taryl fan Eric in Idaho. So Eric sent us that plug, and I thought it was unique and that we would show it and see if it works. And he's got a YouTube channel called Antique Cars and Stuff.
So what does he do on the channel?
Messes around with antique cars
And stuff?
and stuff, tractors. Watch yourself, Skippy. We'll even put this back on.
That's my favorite part.
3 long ones go over the exhaust. Washing oil in there.
Want to make sure you're gonna torque those correctly.
Yeah, I'm gonna torque them right now with this battery powered torque wrench.
Oh, nice. Eh.
Now this probably had a fork type terminal on the end of the coil wire, or it might have had a one that slipped on there. So I'm going to get a cap from another spark plug. I can't find a cap from an old spark plug.
Oh, I got you covered, Taryl. Look what I got right here.
What do? Carry spark plugs with you?
You know I love spark plugs, Taryl. Eh. Look at that. Almost looks like a RN11 YC4.
This shot glass is a little messy. Maybe I can find something else. So let's prime it. Close it up. And let's see if this thing will start.
It worked. Eh.
That plug actually works. That spark plug's got to be 100 years old. It's as old as you.
That's exactly correct. Eh.
Let's try something else. Ready? Woo! Well, it works.
Alright, can you put one on all my equipment then so I can get rid of the priming system?
I don't have any of them plugs.
Well, you got one right here. Just make a bunch more.
That was you. That's the plug you brought in.
Oh, yeah. Eh. Alright, well, we know it works, but do you think you could keep the engine running on it? Eh.
Well, I'd have to put a carburetor on there.
Okay.
All right, Skippy, I got a carburetor on there, and I'm going to use this mason jar as my gas tank. And then we'll fill the priming cup again. Now you're going to have to start it for me, Skippy, because I'm going to have to hold this jar under there. So get over there.
Alright, alright. Eh.
And this will be our gas tank.
Oh, that's a crazy looking gas tank.
All right, start it up. Fire it up. Look at that. 100-year-old spark plug. Woo! 100-year-old spark plug still working.
That was awesome, eh?
All right, let's take the plug out and take a look at it. I got to take this bolt out. Well, I got to take this one out too. That's so funny.
Gotta take all them bolts out to get it out.
Still good. A little warm. Still sparky.
Only 100 years later and it's still sparking, eh?
So I want this spark plug.
Oh, okay.
So what's it gonna take to get it?
Oh, well, what do you got? Eh?
You like hats?
Oh, I love hats. Eh?
How about I give you a hat?
Oh, that sounds like a good deal.
All right, let me go get one.
Okay, yeah, let's see what this hat is.
All right, Skippy, how about this hat? Which you can buy in our online store. This is our new Taryl hat. You'll be the first one to
yeah.
have one.
This thing's pretty awesome, yeah. Oh, yeah, I like that, eh? That's nice. Eh?
So even trade for the plug?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, Skippy.
All right, well, I need to get a couple of CJ8Ys from you before I go.
All right, I'll throw them in on the deal. I'll give you them for free too for this old 100-year-old spark plug.
All right, cool, sounds good.
All right, Taryl. I mean Taryl.
Yeah.
I'm not calling you Taryl.
I could be Taryl if you want me to.
Well, there you have it. 100-year-old priming spark plug still running in this old 1980 Briggs & Stratton engine. So subscribe to this YouTube channel, Taryl Fixes All. I'm Taryl. That's Skippy with the new hat.
How's it going?
Go to our web store, buy some Taryl apparel. We got all kinds of stuff. Follow me with your 100-year-old spark plugs on Facebook and Instagram. And as always, there's your dinner. Woo! 100-year-old priming spark plug, yeah! All right, let's start this thing again, Skippy.
All right. This is fun. Eh?
There's your dinner.